Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to replace your fog light bulbs on your 10th generation Honda Civic. There's lots of videos out there and some of them are pretty complicated, but I come up with a quick and easy solution. So let's have a go. Let's turn it this way. As you can see, we've jacked the car up and we're going to come underneath the front here and you'll see some bolts and some clips. And some of the videos you see, they want to take all these bolts off, which just makes life a bit harder. So this black bolt here, 10 mil, that's the only one we need to remove. And then at the front, you'll see these two clips. This one and this one. And you just need a clip remover. And I'll show you how we're going to do that. So let's get to it. Let's see if I can lay this down under the 10 mil. The 10 mil, just there. We're going to come and undo these clips. As you can see, we're just going to hook in underneath and pop them out. And I'll show you which way we do that. And simple as that, and out they come. Once we've popped out those two, it's pretty much just simply just folding this back. It's very flexible, especially when the day's hot. And then we open and we've got a great big opening here. And the fog light bulb is just inside here. Very, very simple. No undoing all of those bulbs. And there it is, right there. Once the bulb is out, it's just going to dangle down like so. And then you can unclip it as there's a little clip on the underside. And pull the bulb. Ice blue LED replacement. $17 for two on Amazon. Very nice.
Bentley.
Very simply clip those back in and do your screw up here. Done.